Warren Buffett's interpretation of financial reports. Number 21. Per share earnings. Tells us the winners from the losers. Per share earnings are the net earnings, on a per share basis over a period of time. The more earnings per share, the higher the stock price. It's based on the net income divided by the number of outstanding shares. A per share earning over a 10-year period shows a long-term competitive advantage. 10 years shows the consistent advantage the business has, especially if it is showing an upward trend. An indication the business has products that don't have expensive processes of change. A downward trend is an indication of a highly competitive industry, prone to boom and bust cycles. A slow ride to investor nowhere. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, balance sheet. The worth of a company at a point in time.